There you go, March 14th today, and there's some big ass eucalyptus trees here in Salt Spring Island, blowing in the wind. I grew those from seed over 20 years ago. Those are Eucalyptus Dullarium Pliana. The base of them you have Euphorbia wolfenii, and then there's some beautiful double narcissus. Got some grandiflora magnolias here. Weeping Cedrus deodora. There's Sundance, Choicea ternata. And there's another magnolia. And in there you got some nice Trachycarpus palms. Looks like somebody pruned that one up big time. Trachycarpus fortuna. There's actually a lot of palms in this garden at Bamboo and Exotica. Nice. Stay out, Hunt. Magnolia seeds, look at that, right there.